Welcome to this lecture. Today is seventh day, I think, seventh day of our workshop on communication skills in English. We are going to start spoken English this part. The whole week for 5 days, we are going to practice spoken English. What is spoken English? Spoken English, we can read, we can write, we can, even listen and understand, but we are unable to speak. That we are going to work in the 5 days on speaking practice, how to speak English. So the best way to speak good English is the first step is to listen to good English. If you are able to, if you practice listening to good English, definitely you are able to speak good English. So there are so many sites, just like BBC English site is there. You can get number of clips to listen. Very good, very nice clips are there, audio clips are there, and you can practice listening. Even you can listen to news, you can listen to English commentary, cricket commentary, and you can develop your spoken skill. Even if you decide that you are going to listen to some good speakers, some good orators who speak in English, if you go on continuously listening to them, so you can you can become good enough in spoken English. I am going to provide number of passages. Many passages are there available with us. By listening to these passages, we can practice. So here, first unit in spoken English is meeting people, exchanging greetings, and taking leave. Meeting people, exchanging greetings, and taking leave. So I don't think that there is any difficult word here. Greetings means, when we say good morning, hello, how are you, are you fine? These are the greetings. And taking leave, saying goodbye. And that we are going to practice. Yeah, we will listen to these dialogues later on. First, let me explain the dialogues first, and then we are going to listen to them. So here, the lady is Geeta Naidu, and the person, the man is Madhu Kumar. They meet at a post office. They stay in the same colony, but they don't know each other very well. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. They meet in post office, and the dialogue goes on like this. Good afternoon, Mrs. Naidu. Good afternoon, Mr. Kumar. How are you? I'm very well, thank you. And how are you, Mrs. Naidu? I'm fine, thanks. I came to buy some stamps and inland letters. I must send this card to my friend. It's her birthday next week. Have a nice day, Mrs. Naidu. Thanks. And you too. Bye. Goodbye. So this is a dialogue, very formal dialogue it is. So this formal dialogue starts with good afternoon. Good afternoon is a greeting. Before 12 o'clock in the noon, you should say good morning. After 12 and after 12 o'clock, you should say good afternoon. And after 6 o'clock, you should say good evening. Then in the night, good night, like this. You might be knowing this. And here, thank you, very well, I'm very well, thank you. And how are you? How are you? We have studied this short form, abbreviated form. Abbreviations वगैरह आपण इथे शिकलेला आहे. Shortening याला म्हटलेलं आहे. So how are you? Instead of saying how are you, here it is said how are you, Mrs. Naidu? And Mrs. This prefix is used for those who got married. Mrs. means married lady, Mrs. And unmarried is called Miss. So Mrs. Naidu. In formal greetings, we don't use the first name. Formal जे काही मीटिंग असते त्यामध्ये पहिलं जे नाव आहे आपलं ते नाव घेतलं जात नाही हे आपल्याला तुम्हाला माहित असेल. So they meet at the post office. She came there to buy some inland letters, and Madhu here, she came to post a birthday card to her friend, and at the end of the conversation they take leave by saying thanks, goodbye, goodbye. So these are the greetings. Hope that you understood. Here are some of the very important points to remember, some specific points and some general points. So specific point is that, when the two persons in the dialogue you listened are neighbors, but they do not know each other very well. So they address each other by their titles, not by their first name. Mrs. Naidu, not Gita, and never Miss Gita. You should not say Miss Gita, Mrs. Gita, sorry. You should not say Mrs. Gita. And the second thing is that, they say goodbye, they say good afternoon to greet each other, not hello or hi. Good afternoon. So good afternoon, Mrs. It shows that the meeting is very formal. The meeting formal hai asa आपल्याला दिसतंय. So and then some general points we are going to discuss. When we talk, we usually say I am, we don't say am, it's, how are, instead of I am, it is, how are. And we usually say good morning up to 12 o'clock midday, good morning up to 12 o'clock midday, good afternoon between midday and 5 o'clock, good afternoon up to 5 or 6 o'clock, we should say good afternoon. And after 6 o'clock, you should say good evening. Good evening, and then we should not say in the evening time good night to greet any person. एखादा व्यक्ती भेटला असेल तुम्हाला संध्याकाळी, तर त्या व्यक्तीला गुड नाईट म्हणायचं नाही. गुड नाईट केव्हा म्हणायचं? जेव्हा आपण निरोप घेत असतो. जेव्हा आपण निरोप घेतो त्यावेळेस गुड नाईट म्हणायचं. भेटल्याबरोबर गुड नाईट नाही म्हणायचं. भेटल्याबरोबर काय म्हणायचं संध्याकाळी? गुड इव्हनिंग. We should say good evening. Hope that it is very clear for you. Before 12 o'clock, good morning. After 12 o'clock in the midday, you should say good evening. Good evening केव्हापर्यंत म्हणायचं? बिलकुल 5, 5:30, 6 वाजेपर्यंत गुड इव्हनिंग म्हणायचं. त्याच्या 6च्या नंतर सॉरी गुड आफ्टरनून म्हणायचं 5-6 वाजेपर्यंत. आणि त्यानंतर संध्याकाळी जर रात्रीच्या वेळी 7 वाजता, 8 वाजता, 9 वाजता जर भेट झाली असेल तर गुड इव्हनिंग म्हणायचं. आणि गुड बाय संध्याकाळच्या वेळेला गुड नाईट असं म्हणायचं आणि बाकीच्या वेळेला गुड बाय असं म्हणायचं. हॅव यू अंडरस्टूड दिस? इज इट क्लिअर फॉर यू नाव? अँड सो आय एम गोइंग टू play the audio clip as well, but at the end of our lecture. Then we are going to do another activity. दूसरी activity आपण करणार आहोत. Second activity by taking turns. Here there is another dialogue. That dialogue we are going to practice. There is Lakshman and Srinivasan. These are the two persons. They are very good friends. हे चांगले लोक आहेत. Very good friends they are, and they meet outside a restaurant. एका रेस्टॉरंटच्या बाहेर ते भेटतात आणि रेस्टॉरंटच्या बाहेर ते भेटतात आणि त्यांचं संभाषण सुरू होतं. and their conversation starts. One person is, his name is Lakshman and Srinivasan. The second person is Srinivasan. Lakshman and Srinivasan, they are good friends and they meet at the restaurant. Srinivas says, hello Lakshman. Hi Srinu. I haven't seen you for a long time. Where are you? Hello Lakshman. Hi Srinu. I haven't seen you for a long time. Where are you? So he says Srinu, because they are very good friends and very close friends. Therefore, I haven't seen you for a long time. I haven't seen you for a long time. बरेच दिवस झाले, कितीतरी दिवसापासून भेटला नाहीस. I haven't seen you for a long time. So such sentences we have to practice. असे जे sentences आहेत ते आपल्याला पुन्हा पुन्हा practice करावी लागतील. I haven't seen you for a long time. I was busy in school practicing for sports day. I was in the races. How wonderful. Then Lakshman says, how wonderful, you must own many prizes. Srinivasan says, not many, only 3. He owned 3 prizes, not many, only 3. That's great, Sinu. That's great. So this is another phrase we use in spoken form. That's great, Sinu. Congratulations. That's great, Sinu. Congratulations. Thanks. And what have you been doing? Come, let's have some coffee. We haven't met in a long time. We haven't met in a long time. Wish I could have stayed, but I'm really late for college. Let's meet on Sunday. Well, do that. Bye bye. So, see you. This is very common, very simple conversation. If you practice this conversation again and again, definitely you'll start speaking with your friends. What you have to do is you have to practice these passages and you have to practice it with your friends. पहिल्यांदा तुम्ही म्हणा, पुन्हा पुन्हा प्रॅक्टिस करा, त्यांना तुमच्या मित्रासोबत याची प्रॅक्टिस करा. You have to practice with your friend. Hello Lakshman. Hi Srinu. I haven't seen you for a long time. Where are you? I was busy in school practicing for sports day. I was in the races. How wonderful. You must have won many prizes. Not many, only 3. That's great, Sinu. Congratulations. Thanks. And what have you been doing? Come, let's have some coffee. We haven't met in a long time. Wish I could have stayed, but I am really late for college. Wish I could have. Wish I could have. Oh, माझी इच्छा आहे थांबण्याची, पण wish I could have. I could have, very beautifully used here. I could have, and what have you been doing? This is also a very good phrase that you have to practice. And bye and hi हे तर आपण म्हणत असतो. Bye and hi च्या पेक्षा जास्त आपल्याला बोलायचं आहे. मी पाहिलेल्या बऱ्याच विद्यार्थ्यांना की they speak hi and bye in English, but a single sentence they don't utter in their conversation. So here onwards, या 20 days वर्कशॉपच्या नंतर काही ग्रुप्स मला कॉलेज कॅम्पसमध्ये असे दिसले पाहिजे जे इंग्रजीतून बोलत आहे, इंग्रजीतून त्यांचं संभाषण सुरू आहे, असे काही ग्रुप्स मला पाहायचे. सो तसे जर ग्रुप्स मला दिसले तर म्हणेन की हे जे काही आपण वर्कशॉप घेतलेलं आहे त्याचं सार्थक झालेलं. सम युजफुल पॉइंट्स वी हॅव टू रिमेंबर. Lakshman and Srinivasan know each other very well. So Srinivas addresses Lakshman by his first name. Earlier we have seen that person says Mrs. Naidu. He doesn't say Miss Geeta. He says Mrs. Naidu because that was very formal conversation. This is very informal conversation between two friends. Therefore, Srinivas addresses Lakshman by his first name. Sometimes we call our friends by their pet names as well. Just as Lakshman addresses Srinivas by his pet name Sinu. Srinivasan Sinu, pet name. In friend circle that we can practice. This is because it is informal dialogue, informal conversation. There we can practice. But in formal conversation, we should address the people by their titles, by their surnames, by using Mr. or Mrs. These prefixes. So then they say hello and hi to greet each other, not good morning or good afternoon. They say thanks instead of thank you. So thanks is informal way of thanking. Thanks, informal. And very formal, if you want to become very formal, then we should say thank you. So generally speaking, when speaking, we say haven't for have not. This is short form, shortening. Haven't for have not. That's for that is. We are for we are. We are here. We are here. So we are is not pronounced clearly. So this is what the conversation is. Very informal conversation. या कन्व्हर्सेशन मध्ये आपण सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं काय शिकलेलं आहे, काही सेंटेन्सेस आपण शिकलेलो आहोत. दॅट वॉज व्हेरी बिझी. आय हॅवंट सीन यू फॉर अ लॉंग टाइम. व्हेर आर यू? आय हॅवंट सीन यू फॉर अ लॉंग टाइम. व्हेर आर यू? अँड देन विश आय कुड हॅव स्टेड बट आय एम रिअली लेट फॉर कॉलेज. विश आय कुड हॅव स्टेड बट I am really late for college. माझी इच्छा आहे थांबण्याची. Wish I could have stayed, but I am late for college. These are certain sentences that we have to practice again and again. If you practice again and again, definitely you can master it. You can, while speaking, you can use these sentences. Now we are moving to the next conversation. So here we have to use certain phrases. काही phrases इथं dash इथं दिलेला आहे. ते dash मध्ये काही phrases आपल्याला इथं वापरायचे आहेत. Complete the following dialogue. Complete the following dialogue. Shankar Rao meets Mohan Reddy. Shankar Rao एक व्यक्ती है यातला conversation मधला, and the second person is Mohan Reddy, who has recently moved in as his neighbor. Who recently moved in as his neighbor. So Shankar and Mohan, Shankar and Mohan, this conversation goes on between Shankar and Mohan. Shankar says, "Good morning, Mr. Reddy. How?" Complete it. Complete करा तुमच्या लेवलवर. How are you? Good morning, Mr. Reddy. How are you? Then Mohan says, "Very well. And what about you?" "Very well. And how are you?" Reddy says, "How are you, Mr. Rao? How are you, Mr. Rao?" "I'm fine. I am fine. We are happy to have you as our neighbor. Do you come home sometime? Do come home sometime?" "Well, certainly." "Thank you. See you then." "Thank you." So we have to complete the dialogue. So इथं कोणकोणते वर्ड्स आपण वापरलेत? How are you? Are you? How are you? Very well, thank you. Here, very well, thank you. How are you? And how are you, Mr. Rao? I'm fine. I'm fine. We're happy to have you as our neighbor. We are happy to have you as our neighbor. Do come home sometime. Do come home sometime. Do come home sometime. We certainly will. Thank you. See you then. Goodbye. So this is the conversation. We can easily complete. त्याच्यात शिकण्यासारखी phrase कोणती आहे? The phrase that is very important that we have to keep in mind. How are you? Very well. I'm fine. Thank you. We are happy to have you as your neighbor. We are happy to have you as our neighbor. Do come home sometime. Do come home sometime. कधी आम्हाला घरी आमच्या या बसूया आपण. Do come home sometime. We certainly will. We certainly will. Thank you. See you then. Goodbye. So these are certain phrases, words we use. Here, note that we say Mr. Rao, not Mr. Rao, not Mr. Shankar. From the two expressions in bracket, we have to choose one and practice it. Here, Manju meets her friend Parvati after school. Manju meets her friend Parvati after school, and then they walk home together. Manju and Parvati, they walk together home. स्कूलच्या नंतर त्यांची भेट होते आणि ते दोघी होऊन घरी परततात. So dialogue and the conversation goes on between them. How do they speak here? That we are going to practice. Hi Parvati, are you in the play for Parents' Day? Hi Parvati, are you in the play for Parents' Day? This is yes no type question. I told you yes no type questions are there while studying tenses. This we have discussed. Are you in the play for Parents' Day? Hi Meenu, no, our class is presenting a group song. Hi Meenu, no, our class is presenting a group song. Then it's a Gujarati folk song. Instead saying it's a Gujarati folk song. Wonderful, glad you have a great voice. Wonderful, glad you have a great voice. Then thanks. What's your class doing? thank you and thanks. You can use one of them. फार फॉर्मल कन्व्हर्सेशन असेल तर थँक यू. इन्फॉर्मल कन्व्हर्सेशन तुम्हाला वाटत असेल तर थँक्स. Thank you. What's your class doing? We are doing Bhima and Bakasura. We are doing Bhima and Bakasura. Then you will have to wear a sari, won't you? Then you'll have to wear a sari, won't you? You will. So W is dropped, apostrophe is given, double L. So how do you pronounce this? You will. You will. Then you'll have to wear a sari. Then you'll have to wear a sari, won't you? Won't you is question tag, won't you? Why do we use question tag won't you to support the earlier question? The earlier statement आहे, the earlier statement support करण्यासाठी we ask this question tag. Then we'll have to wear a sari, won't you? Yes, I hope I can manage that. Yes, I hope I can manage that. I can manage that. Oh, you will. Don't worry. Oh, you will. Don't worry. Thank you, Parvati. Bye. Goodbye. These are the certain, so these are the certain dialogues we have to practice again and again. He practice तुम्हाला करावी लागते. So here there are some activity. Mr. Kumar meets Miss Raman, his son's teacher. There are greetings between them, and Mr. Kumar says that Kiran is much better, but has to rest for a week. Miss Raman says she hopes Kiran will get well soon. Mr. Kumar thanks her. They take leave. And this conversation we have to practice. हे conversation तुम्हाला practice करायचं आहे. वाटल्यास तुम्ही हे जे conversation आहे, हे conversation activity आहे, ही activity you can write down. तुम्ही write down करा, activity लिहून घ्या notebook वर, आणि ही activity जी आहे ते practice करा. ते dialogue लिहा, आणि dialogue लिहिल्यानंतर त्याचे एक screenshot काढा. स्क्रीनशॉट काढून आपल्याला आपल्या ग्रुपवर पोस्ट करा. क्वेश्चन काय, ऍक्टिव्हिटी काय आहे लक्षात घ्या. मिस्टर कुमार मीट्स मिस रमन, his son's teacher, at school. Write a dialogue between them using the outline below. खाली आउटलाइन दिलेली आहे, त्याप्रमाणे तुम्हाला लिहायचं. पॉइंट नंबर 1 काय, मिस्टर कुमार greets Miss Raman. Miss Raman returns the greeting and asks him how his son Kiran is. Mr. Kumar says that Kiran is much better, but that he has to rest for a week. Miss Raman says she hopes Kiran will get well soon. Mr. Kumar thanks her. They take leave. They say goodbye to each other. तर हे कन्व्हर्सेशन तुम्हाला लिहायचं आहे आणि प्रॅक्टिस करायची आहे घरी, आणि याचं एक स्क्रीनशॉट काढून व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपवर टाकायचं. पाहू आता किती विद्यार्थी टाकतात. का फक्त ऐकायलाच तुम्ही तयार आहात आणि प्रॅक्टिस करायला तयार नाही, की आपल्याला समजेल. And now we are moving to activity 8. Listen the following conversation and enact it with a partner. हे conversation तुम्हाला ऐकायचं आहे आणि तुमच्या पार्टनर सोबत प्रॅक्टिस करायची आहे. आणि लता आणि राधा या दोघांमधलं हे कन्व्हर्सेशन आहे. Hi Radha, come in. I was hoping you would come today. Hi Radha, come in. I was hoping you would come today. Hi, come to ask you what you will be wearing for your brother's wedding. Hi, I came to ask you what you will be wearing for your brother's wedding. I'll be wearing a new red shirt with a green blouse. And what's you wearing, Radha? Radha says, I'll be wearing the blue sari I got for my sister's wedding. How lovely. That's such a beautiful sari. We'll have a great time together. Yes, we will. So this is another dialogue we have practiced. याच्यात काय difficult words मला काही वाटत नाही. So will be wearing. What you will be wearing for your brother's wedding. What you will be wearing for your brother's wedding. So she's going to wear sari, she says, then that's very beautiful, and the conversation takes place and it ends. So you have to practice exchanging greetings, ask your partner about what happened in the office that day, and you practice. मित्रासोबत प्रॅक्टिस करा. कोणी कॉलेजला गेलं असेल, फक्त व्हिजिट द्यायला, फॉर्म भरायला वगैरे गेलं असेल, एखादा परीक्षा फॉर्म भरण्यासाठी गेलेलं असेल, practice the conversation between you. सगळी प्रॅक्टिस करा कन्व्हर्सेशनची, and then start speaking. आणि बोलायला तुम्ही सुरुवात करू शकता. इथं इंट्रोड्युसिंग युअर सेल्फ, अनदर युनिट 2. आता युनिट 2 बद्दल आपण चर्चा करत आहोत. फक्त 5 मिनिटं राहिले, तुम्हाला पुन्हा रिजॉईन करायचं आहे. 5 मिनिटानंतर रिजॉईन करायचं आहे. Introducing yourself. Dialogue 1. Prakash Reddy and Miss Neena Shetty. त्या दोघांमधलं कन्व्हर्सेशन आहे. Prakash Reddy says, "Good morning, Mrs. Shetty. I am Prakash Reddy. I am the new history teacher reporting for duty." Good morning, Mrs. Shetty. I am Prakash Reddy. I am the new history teacher reporting for duty. Good morning, Prakash. I am pleased to meet you. Welcome to the National School. We are glad to have you. Good morning, Prakash. I am pleased to meet you. Welcome to National School. We are glad to have you. Thank you. I am looking forward to work. I am looking forward to working here. I am looking forward to work here. So this is just a formal dialogue. Good morning, good afternoon. इथपर्यंत आपण आता we are comfortable. Welcome to National School. कोणतं स्वागत करायचं आहे? Welcome to National School. We are glad to have you. We are glad to have you. Thank you. I am looking forward to working here. Thank you. I am looking forward to working here. And then another dialogue we are going to practice, that too is informal. John says, "Hello, I am John. I am Joseph's brother." Hello, I am John. I am Joseph's brother. Then Ahmed says, "Hello, John. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Very happy to meet you. Pleased to meet you. Pleased to meet you." These are the certain phrases we use when we meet for the first time some new person. So here another dialogue we are going to practice. It is between Mr. Dr. Swami and Dr. Rao. Good afternoon. I am Narayana Swami from REC Warangal. I am Narayana Swami from REC Warangal. Pleased to meet you, Dr. Swami. I am Srinivasan Rao from Nehru Technical University. I am glad to meet you. Well, you will be presenting a paper today. Yes, it's a report on my latest project. That's interesting. I'm looking forward to your paper. Thank you. I'm looking forward to your paper. Thank you. So other sentences are very common. Pleased to meet you. I'm Srinivas Rao from Nehru Technical University. तुम्ही कसं म्हणाल? I'm Raju from Sri Shivaji College, like this. So I'm looking forward to your paper. Looking forward to your paper. तुमचं जे पेपर आहे ते पेपर ऐकण्यासाठी मी फार आतुरलेला आहे, ऑब्झर्व करण्यासाठी मी फार आतुरलेला आहे. आय एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू युअर पेपर. थँक यू. सो दीज आर सम ऑफ दी वेज टू इंट्रोड्यूस युअर सेल्फ. स्वतःचं जे काही इंट्रोडक्शन आहे ते इंट्रोडक्शन देण्याचे काही मार्ग तुम्हाला सांगितलेले आहेत. लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस युअर सेल्फ. आय एम सो अँड सो फ्रॉम शिवाजी कॉलेज चिखली. I am Rajesh from Shivaji College Chikhli. Like this, you have to introduce. Good. These are the certain activities we have to complete. Now we are moving to unit 3, introducing people to others. Introducing people to others. तुमच्या सोबत समजा कोणी आहे, त्याचा परिचय तुमच्या ज्याला तुम्ही भेटत आहात त्याला करून द्यायचा असेल तर कशा पद्धतीने करून द्यायचा, that we are going to see here. ते आपण आता पाहणार आहोत. फक्त 1 मिनिट राहिले, तुम्हाला पुन्हा रिजॉईन करायचं आहे. मिसेस शेट्टी आणि आकाश यादव या दोघांमधलं संभाषण आहे. सो लिसन व्हेरी केअरफुली. आकाश, I would like to introduce you Mr. Prakash Reddy to you. He is the new history teacher. Akash, I'd like to introduce Mr. Prakash Reddy to you. He is the new history teacher. Hello, Prakash. Glad to meet you. I am Akash Yadav. I teach English. Hello, Prakash. Glad to meet you. I am Akash Yadav. I teach English. Nice to meet you too. So this is the dialogue. आता हे याच्यानंतरचे जे डायलॉग्स आहेत ते आपण नेक्स्ट क्लासमध्ये करणार आहोत. तुम्हाला रिजॉईन करायचं आहे. तर मी थांबत आहे. अँड आय एम यू हॅव